The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. To have easier access to the cabin filter, use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the screws. Pull the flooring panel backwards to remove it. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the flooring panel. Retighten the screws.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.